Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their real life day-to-day atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes first, and the subject is mathematics, and the lesson name is how many. How many is the lesson which tells about the numerals, number names, and also the addition based lesson related activities. The innovation idea used in this lesson how many is question bank. Question bank is the type of a revision based activity, making the students to revise the lesson thoroughly and make the students to understand the concept which we taught in the lesson is the main concept covered in this question bank innovation idea. For doing this question bank activity, as the pre-preparation, what we are going to do is, we are going to make the students to split into different halves. If there is a class strength of 25 students, we are going to make the students to split into the equal number of groups. We should make sure that no student should be left out. Every student is to be split into 3 or 4 groups. And the team leader is appointed for the overall class and as well as the orals for the team, so that the leader is responsible for the teams. So the lesson which we taught previously, for an example, we have completed this how many lesson previously. This how many lesson is split into 3 or 4 halves as per the teams count. If there are 4 teams, the lesson is split into 4 halves. If there are 3 teams, the lesson is split into 3 halves. It is splitted and the students are going to take this respective topics. So if there is a first half is given to a team 1, second half is given to the team 2, the topic, the first half is given over there, and each and every topic is to be splitted with the students within themselves, and the students have to read and make understand of that concept thoroughly, which topic they have been working on. Every student should read that concept thoroughly, they have to revise the concept thoroughly, and then they have to create a question from that respective topics. So after doing this, the leader's work is to, they have to collect all that questions and they have to consolidate and combine it into a single question bank. And the main role and responsibility of this team leader or leader is, they have to consolidate the question bank, and the main work is they have to check whether there is a question is repeating or a duplication of question or same meaning of question is repeating more than once. If that type of question is repeating more than once, the question will be eliminated. Just only one question is taken as an account. Likewise, they are combining all those topics, first half, second half, third half, fourth half, and it is combined into a single question bank of this lesson how many, and it is given to the teacher. As the teacher, we would be receiving that question bank and we will be conducting the revision based activities with the student. Why? Because the first team will be doing the first half of the lesson only, the last team will be doing the last half of the lesson only. While revising all these topics together with the students, if a first group is given the question, we are asking the question and the first group is telling that answer, so that other 3 groups can be able to understand the answer and what are the meanings for that lesson. So however, like first one, second one, third one, we are completing this entire lesson, which makes the students to understand that concept thoroughly and also revise the concept and make them to understand the real concept and exact concept covered in this lesson. So for an example, just take on question bank. So being it's numeral and number values, there's a team is picking up a question, like they have given a question bank of 8, 10, 12, there is a space between, and then 16 space between, 20 is there. We all know that. Why? Because 8, 10, 12, it is all even. So after 10, 12 is there, there is a space in between, there 16 is there. So what is the missing number? It is obviously 14. So what is the missing number next to 18? 22 is there, but 20 is not there. So it is 20. So all even number. 1, 3, 5. There is a space. 9, 11. So what is the missing number? What is the odd number? It is 7. Likewise, making the students to think about that, making them to analyze and make them to answer helps the students to revise the entire concept of this lesson. So this is the innovation idea called question bank used in this lesson, how many. So more about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.